Let's do my kilay with the Vice Cosmetics On The Daily Brows and Brews. Sobrang tagal na nito. I think last Feb ko pa ata ito na-receive, pero ngayon ko lang siya gagawa ng video kasi sobrang naging busy. So, sorry po. What's inside is, Miss Bethany Talbot, a water bottle, planner, and their Vice Cosmetics On The Daily Brows and Brews products. First is the Brow Shaper. Brow Shaper is a clear brow gel. So technically, ang ginagawa lang nito is to shape your brows. So ilalagay ko siya dito sa aking brows. And in fairness to its wand, ang ganda nung kanyang spikiness kasi nakukoat niya talaga yung lahat ng hair. Tingnan nyo. Boogs. In fairness sa packaging nito, ang ganda. It's matte. It's beautiful. This is with the Brow Shaper. As you can see, yung brows ko is mas nakatayo siya compared to this. And mas na-hold na yung brows para ma-uplift. Charot, ma-uplift yung aking brows. And technically, this is parang brow soap but in a liquid form. Next is the Brow Curve. This is their brow pencils. We have 3 shades available. This is dark brown, natural brown, and ash brown. What's new about this is meron siyang curved tip. And I think, first time ko itong makita for a local makeup brand na merong gantong brow tip, yung kanilang brow pencil. And of course, retractable na rin yung kanyang brow pencil. And may spoolie siya on the other side. Ang ganda ng kanyang tip kasi ang daling mag-drawing ng eyebrows. Boogs, tapos agad. Ang dali niyang mag-fill in boogs. Tapos na yung kilay ko. This is with the brow curve and this is without. To be honest, nothing new with using a brow pencil. Kumbaga, mas ginawa niyang convenient yung pagkikilay mo kasi sa shape niya, mas madaling gamitin, mas madaling mag-draw. But yes, nothing new, but still a good product to try if wala ka pang pangkilay. Next is the Brow Flicks, which is a brow gel. This is their Brow Flicks. I don't know if this has the same formula as their previous brow gels. Oh my god, ang ganda ng kanyang brush. Spiky yung brush para at least mas madali mong ma-coat yung hairs mo on your eyebrows. Guys, I swear, pag sinabi ko maganda yung packaging, ang ganda niya. So, looking up close, it feels expensive kahit yung presyo niya is 295 pesos lang. And gustong-gusto ko rin na ang ganda ng stopper nila dito, even dun sa brow shaper. Ang ganda ng kanyang wand, in fairness. Oosh. Ay, palaban din to, sis. For me, yung talagang selling factor with this brow gel is yung kanyang wand and yung kanyang formulation. Mas na-hold niya yung hair strand sa aking eyebrows. So, at least mas maganda siya and siguradong long wearing to. So, comparing the Brow Shaper to the Brow Flicks, for me, mas gusto ko is the Brow Flicks because meron na siyang tint and mas maganda yung wand niya. This is the Brow Shaper and this is the Brow Flicks. Mas gusto ko yung wand ni Brow Flicks because even dito sa taas, meron siyang spikiness. Para at least malagay mo yung eyebrow gel mo. Mas precise lalo na dito sa front ng iyong kilay. The Brow Shaper, since wala siyang tint at all, it's just a clear brow gel. Masasuggest ko siya if hindi ka naman talaga nagme-makeup on the daily basis but gusto mo mas gumanda yung kilay mo, mas maayos tingnan. That's it for the Vice Cosmetics Brows and Brews products. I will highly recommend this Brow Flicks kasi feeling ko mas madali siyang gamitin, mas convenient. Kasi isang brush mo lang siya pataas, brush pataas. Tapos na, may kilay ka na since meron na rin siyang tint. For me, super nagustuhan ko yung packaging and ang laking improvement nito compared to the other Vice Cosmetics product na pangkilay. Ang ganda ng packaging nito. Matte, kita mo agad yung color ng product. Ang ganda. But what I am missing in this collection is a brow pen. Lately, super gandang gamitin ng brow pen kasi nakaka-create talaga siya ng hair-like strokes. Sana nilagyan nila ng brow pen para at least perfect na yung whole collection. But all in all, is still a good collection. And again, you don't have to buy all of this. Pumili ka lang nung talaga maggamit mo for everyday use. That's it. Bye!